Hello dear students, in this video, chemical energetics part 2nd, you learn about standard state, enthalpy of formation and standard enthalpy of formation, standard enthalpy of combustion and problems on enthalpies of formation, that is calculation of enthalpy of formation. Standard state, the standard molar enthalpy of every element at 1 atmospheric pressure and 298.15 Kelvin in the most stable state is taken as 0. The standard molar enthalpy of every element at 1 atmospheric pressure and 298.15 Kelvin in the most stable state is taken as 0, and these conditions of 1 atmospheric pressure and 298.15 Kelvin are called as standard state conditions. That is, the conditions of 1 atmospheric pressure and 298.15 Kelvin are known as standard state conditions. Determination of absolute value of molar enthalpy is not possible. The standard molar enthalpy of substance is determined by using above convention of a standard state. That is, the standard molar enthalpy of every element at 1 atmospheric pressure and 298.15 Kelvin in most stable state is taken as 0. In case of the elements exhibiting allotropy, the most stable form will be considered under the conditions of standard state. For example, the most stable form of hydrogen is gaseous hydrogen, for bromine is liquid bromine, while that of iodine is solid iodine, and their molar enthalpies are taken as 0 at 1 atmospheric pressure and 298.15 Kelvin temperature. Enthalpy of formation and standard enthalpy of formation. First, heat of formation or enthalpy of formation. The enthalpy of formation of a substance is defined as the heat changes that takes place when 1 mole of the substance is formed from elements under given conditions of temperature and pressure. It is usually represented by delta HF. The enthalpy of formation of a substance is defined as the heat change that takes place when 1 mole of substance is formed from elements under the given conditions of temperature and pressure. Standard enthalpy of formation. Standard enthalpy of formation of a substance is defined as the heat change accompanied by the formation of 1 mole of the substance in a standard state from its elements, also taken in standard state. It is usually represented by delta H naught F. For example, carbon undergoes oxidation and it gives the carbon dioxide or formation of carbon dioxide. When 1 mole of carbon dioxide is formed from its elements, carbon solid and oxygen gases, these all the substances being taken in standard state, 393.5 kilojoule of heat is produced, and therefore the standard heat of formation of a gaseous carbon dioxide is 393.5 kilojoule per mole. That is, the delta H naught F is equal to minus 393.5 kilojoule as heat is liberated, or this is an exothermic reaction. Importance of standard enthalpy of formation. By knowing the standard enthalpies of formation of reactants and products involved in a chemical reaction, the standard enthalpy change of the given reaction can be calculated by using formula. That is, enthalpy change or standard enthalpy change of reaction is equal to sum of standard enthalpies of formation of products minus standard enthalpies of formation of reactants, or it is given as delta H naught reaction is equal to summation of standard heat of formation of products minus standard heat of formation of reactants. For example, heat of combustion of methane. Methane undergoes combustion, it gives carbon dioxide plus water molecule. Enthalpy change of reaction is given for this reaction is equal to delta H naught F for carbon dioxide plus twice into delta H naught of F of for H2O, that is products, minus delta H naught F for methane plus 2 into delta H naught F for oxygen, that is reactants. And putting the values of heat of formation in a standard state for carbon dioxide minus 393.5 into plus 2 into for water minus 285.8 minus for methane minus 74.9 and oxygen in a standard state, its enthalpy of formation should be taken as a 0. Enthalpy change of reaction is equal to minus 890.2 kilojoule. Means by using the standard enthalpies of formation of reactants and products, we can calculate the standard enthalpy change for a given reaction. Standard enthalpy of combustion, it is defined as the amount of heat evolved or absorbed when 1 mole of substance under standard conditions of 1 atmospheric pressure and 298.15 Kelvin temperature is burned completely to form the products, also under the standard conditions. That is, amount of heat evolved or absorbed when 1 mole of substance under standard conditions of 1 atmospheric pressure and 298.15 Kelvin temperature is burnt completely to form the products under standard conditions. It is represented by delta H naught C or delta H naught combustion. Consider the example, that is combustion of methane to give carbon dioxide and water. Methane undergoes combustion, it gives carbon dioxide plus water. Standard enthalpy of combustion is equal to minus 890.4 kilojoule per mole. Calculate standard enthalpy of formation for the reaction. Carbon dioxide reacts with the hydrogen, it gives carbon monoxide plus water molecule, given delta H naught for, that is the enthalpy of formation for carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide and water are minus 393.5, minus 111.3 and minus 2411.8 kilojoule per mole respectively. We can take given, these are the given values, and we have to find out enthalpy, that is standard enthalpy change value for the reaction. This is the reaction. We have standard enthalpy of formation for hydrogen should be taken as a 0 under standard states. Enthalpy change or standard enthalpy change of reaction is given by the formula. For given equation, we can write delta H naught reaction is equal to delta H naught F carbon monoxide plus enthalpy of formation of water minus enthalpy of formation of carbon dioxide plus enthalpy of formation of hydrogen. If we substitute these values from the given values for enthalpy of formation for carbon monoxide, for water, for carbon dioxide, and in standard state for hydrogen it should be 0, then we get the answer, that is enthalpy of change of reaction or standard enthalpy change of reaction is equal to plus 40.4 kilojoule per mole. That is the enthalpy of given reaction, or enthalpy change of given reaction is 40.4 kilojoule per mole. The next problem, calculate delta H naught for the reaction, that is standard enthalpy of formation for the reaction. Ethanol undergoes combustion, it gives carbon dioxide plus water. The given standard enthalpy of formation for ethanol, carbon dioxide and water are 277.0, minus 393.5 and minus 285.8 kilojoule per mole respectively. That is, these are the given values. Now we have to find out the standard enthalpy of formation for a given reaction. This is the reaction, and using standard enthalpy values, or we can say that for oxygen, gaseous oxygen, enthalpy of formation should be 0. We have standard enthalpy change of reaction is equal to sum of the standard enthalpy of formation of products minus sum of standard enthalpy of formation of reactants. For this reaction, that is combustion of ethanol, we can write this equation, that is enthalpy change for reaction is equal to twice into enthalpy of formation of carbon dioxide plus thrice into enthalpy of formation of water minus enthalpy of formation of ethanol plus 3 into enthalpy of formation of oxygen. If we substitute these values for enthalpy of formation of carbon dioxide, water, ethanol and oxygen, then we get enthalpy change or standard enthalpy change for the reaction is minus 1367.4 kilojoule per mole. That is, the enthalpy of formation for given reaction is minus 1367.4 kilojoule per mole. Finally, in this video, we learn about the standard state, enthalpy of formation and standard enthalpy of formation, standard enthalpy of combustion, and the problems based on enthalpies of formation, that is the calculation of enthalpies of formation of reactants, products, or the calculation of standard enthalpy change for a given reaction.